morning, day traders. This is Mike with Ripper Die Trading. Looking at AMD again. We had a pretty big gap up, about 50 cents so far. Well, just about everything in the tech is gapping up today. So we're hoping to see some movement today. None of this sideways bullshit we've been seeing. So, looking at the chart, 24 so far has been holding it down. And it's kind of been bouncing off the 2385-ish area. So, under that, we've got a little support around 2375, 2370. And the gap to fill is 2353. So, I'm going to see what happens here. I would love to see it kind of head up to 24 and break above it for a second and then bounce back down and bounce off it a few times to give me some confirmation to go short and ride it all the way down to 2350 area. But my mistake the last couple days has been jumping in too quick. So I'm going to try real hard to wait today for confirmation. Even on my green days, I've had to make up for a bad first trade with the second good trade. So seems like my second trades have always been better. So I need to just eliminate the first one and wait. So we got about 30 seconds to the bell. Let's see this. I expect a little bit of craziness this morning for a change. Some big movement. None of this sideways bullshit like the last day. We got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. There's 24. Holding it down so far. A betting man could short right there, but I'm not going to be a betting man. And the betting man is losing right now. I almost clicked it to go long at 24 right there. The only reason I didn't, it gave me a little micro pullback to 24, and it would have been perfect. I just couldn't bring myself to do it after saying I was going to wait. Dadgummit. That'd have been nice. One of those, the 1 minute trading days. I'm in again. I'm in now. Now it's not going to hold. Come on, baby. Holy shit. It hates me. Come on. Let's go. Alright. Bad, bad, bad. What I do, I got... Fuck. I was pissed off that I didn't take the first thing, which was good, and I got FOMO, and I did something stupid right there. My whole plan was to let it go up, come back down, and wait for it to test 24 and short, and then plan went out the door. Son of a bitch. I gotta quit doing that shit. short. We don't want to see it go over 24 here. You need to go fill that gap now. Go. I was listening to an audio book yesterday how hedge funds will bid this shit up so that they can, so everyone will jump in long, and then they start selling big time. They trap us long and then they dump it on us. I don't know if that's what happened here, but this is that 85 area that we had trouble with getting through in pre-market. It's been holding it up. We get through that, get down to 76. Shit, I broke my rules. I was supposed to sell half of this already. And you know why I didn't? Because I've lost money already, and I didn't want. I wanted to make up for it and more, and now it's causing me to possibly lose out on breaking even or getting out ahead. We'll see though. The EMAs have just crossed, which is a good sign for our trade. Just needed to go now. See, I should have 50 locked in right now and 50 on riding, and I didn't lock it in because I got greedy because of my dumb first trade. Son of a bitch. Come on now. I could have been green on the day already, or at least even, and I got greedy doing dumb shit. Watch out now. Watch out. Get down there. Nope. We hit that same $85 or $23.85 support, and it shot it right back up. It's gonna do it. We need to see it now. Let my patience pay off for a change. Piece of shit. Bunch of people stacked up at 98. Hopefully that holds it down. If that doesn't hold it, then we're going to rock it up. So Apple's turning down right now. Nvidia is still kind of building up. SPY's coming down. We're going up. This sucks ass. Come on, 24. Spank it down. So this right here was a good trade, and I did not manage it well. I should have seen the 23.85 that we talked about before the market opened and realized it, and at least took half, if not all of it. I mean, worst case scenario, we're back to 24 now. I could have got back in short. Even if this works out, I could have got it twice from here. I have a feeling though we're about to get stopped out for another loss when we could have been good. I mean, I obviously that's not what I want, and I'd love to see it come back down for us, but it's just a bad management of the trade there. And now I've let this one go further than I wanted to. Now I've sold and it'll probably come down now. Oh, fuck me, man. I got it. So, what happened? Stupid first trade. Caused me not to follow my plan when I was up in profit here. Worst case scenario, I should, on this trade, be up $50 and then... And see, I sold at the fucking top so far. I want to go long here, but it's been kicking me in the teeth so much. Okay, I'm going long. If it gets under 24, I'm just going to get out quick. Everything, NVIDIA and SPY are ripping right now, so hopefully we can go up there and get high of day real quick. What am I in at? 03, okay. It's time to rip. We might. I expect a lot of movement today, but so far we hadn't really gotten it. Come on. Big push. Lots of volume. Let's go. Kick 9 and 10 in the teeth. And we're doing a little pullback here to scare the weak longs out. And then we're going to go on another push up. Let's go. Bust through it now. Eat up 09 and shoot through 15. Damn, and 09's holding it down. There's a bunch of people stacked there. A bunch. We eat through this. Going to 15 quick. Had I managed that first trade correctly, I could have taken a little profit right here at 9. Just to make sure that we're locked in good. Because there's a wall there. I mean, it's getting bigger too. If we can get through it, we could squeeze up. And it's just not enough volume to get through it yet. There we go, baby. Squeeze. Let's get through 15 and just smoke them. Dadgummit. Just a little bitty pullback, hopefully. We're going to go kick 15 in the teeth and go. Back to this 9, but not as many people stacked up here as there were last time. Shouldn't be a big deal to get through that. If we're going, well, shit. Again, I got really close to my 10-cent profit target where I could take half, and I was 1 cent away, and I thought about doing it and trying, to somewhat stick to the rules this time after I fucked up the first two. But this is testing my patience now. I'd hate to go red on this trade after being up $90. That's 2 trades I should be up about 100 on, and I'm turning them both turn into losers now. Should be up about $200 minus that stupid first trade. Bye, fuckers, bye. When I'm in a trade, a lot of times I'm just watching this right here, the level 2. It keeps me from getting anxious watching the lines jump. Alright, this is where we go up. Right here. That's enough consolidation. Let's roll. Oh, fuck. It's not consolidation. It's whoop Mike's ass time is what it is. Bounce, bitch. Honestly, if I'd have taken profit up there, this would be a good place to get back in. Good risk reward. I got everything that's happened bad today is all my. I mean, it's always my fault when I have a bad day, but it was preventable by following my damn plan. There we go. See, had I taken profit up there, I could have gotten back in and been on the roll again. I just hit one of the 2 buttons required to take me out of the trade. I almost accidentally fucked up. My fingers were getting too cold in the basement here. Alright, people stacked up at 10. Let's eat through them. We got a pretty good little uptrend going right now. being that it came back to 24 and came up. And looking at the chart, it's a pretty healthy little pullback. As long as we can get higher than 15 here, we're in the driver's seat of this trade. Stacked up at 09 again. Stacked big time at 10. Wow. If we jump through 10, we're going to go on a ride. Smart money was to sell right there, all of it. And then if it came back down, I could get back in. But that was a ridiculous amount of people stacked up at 10. It'd be great to see us get through that. We're going to need a lot of volume to get through that right here. I just can't play with smart money. I'm gonna. So many people stacked up right here. I should just get out and cut and then call myself lucky to get some of it back. And if it breaks, oh well. Because I just want to see that 10 one more time and see if we can get through it. There it is. It's huge. I can sell half and it'll break, I bet. Come on, volume. Wow. We got through it. Let's go. We should be flying right now getting through all that crap. I can't believe that. All that, I mean, that was a major barrier to get through, and we got through it. I would think we'd be going now. I cannot believe that. Letting them stack back up again. We should be going. Let's go to Rip City now. Motherfucker. I don't get it. We won the war, and now we're losing the battle. It's backwards. Yeah, we broke through the gates and let them replenish their soldiers here. We need to kick them while they're down. Let's go. There we go. Volume, step in. Let's eat these bitches for breakfast. Alright. I'm following my plan. Took half. That's usually what makes it rip. You know what? Having a hard time at 15. I'm just going to get out. There's a lot of people stacked up there again. It could jump through that and rip, but I expect a little pullback right now to regather. I could be wrong, but hey. Let's check out some other stuff. So yep, had $100 on the second trade. We'd be up 15 bucks right now, eating up that shitty first trade if we'd have managed our second trade correctly. Or even if I just taken the 50, I'd only be down, 35 bucks, which not great, but still better than 85. Look at all these people stacked up at 15. Tons of people. Needs lots. If it gets lots of volume and gets through there, this thing could go on a fun little ride today. I just didn't want to bet the little that I got back on it. There it goes, new high day. That's what we were looking for 2 candles ago, but after being too greedy on the first one, on the second trade, I didn't want to be too greedy on the third. Of course, it seems like anytime you do something the opposite of which is what you should have done, the hindsight account is batting 1,000. Yep, there it goes. Son of beach. Oh well. Yeah. So I'm gonna wrap this up. I don't like to trade too long on Fridays, but we can we looked at the first trade. Was I got long on the second candle, and you can see how that turned out. Pretty shitty. Waited for a good entry on the second trade, which is right here. It broke above 24 and started coming down, so we had some decent profit here. I called out this level this morning because, let's go back up here to this top screen. You can see this area right here, it had been bouncing off a couple times right before the open. So we were looking at 2385-ish area for a support. I should have been at least sold half there because of, it had a very good percentage to bounce off that, and it hit it right on the nose, and it's taken off and hasn't come back. So bad management there. And the reason for that is because of the dumb first trade. I was down whatever it was, 100, 110 I think it was. Maybe 120, I can't remember. But because of that bonehead move, it caused me to make another bonehead move. And so I had to play this a little more conservative, which I don't think I played this bad. I got in on a good, well, honestly, I could have gotten out here, gotten back in, gotten out. Oh well. We were down 200, now we're down 85, so don't want to call a red day a win, but it's a less of a loss. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. Go get some shit done, and I think I'm gonna put something on the smoker and sip on some bourbon. So you guys have a great weekend. If you keep trading today, I hope you win, and let me know what you traded today in the comments. I'm looking for some other stocks to trade for days that where this thing does not pick a direction. I mean, today it's moving, but it's not moving like I expected a movement like this in the first 5 minutes. So still moving a little slow. I'm looking for something that, it's not crazy fast movement. Something that there's the spread is only a penny or two, that I can get in for 5 minutes and get at least 10-20 cents. But one that bounces off defined support and resistance lines, ones that follow somewhat pattern. I know nothing's for sure, but that's what I'm looking for. If you guys have any ideas, throw it up in the comments, and I will talk to you Monday. Have a great weekend.